One of the things about when you have a home, part of the real value, especially resale, is to have the garage finished off. And there's no better way to finish it off than the floor. And that's one of the things we found in another property we had. So that's why we wanted to have it totally completed this time and have it really done well. The thing about it, it has some texture, so it's not so slippery if it's wet. And actually that doesn't bother a bit when you clean up, because you can sweep it up and vacuum and then wash it, and then we have drains in there and it cleans up, and then it really looks nice, especially when you have the cars in there and everything's clean. It really adds to the home as far as the value, but also just the aesthetics of it. One of the things about All Around Surfaces that really impressed us was the fact that we got a bid on it. They were going to tell us what the costs were. We had choices. We were able to customize it to our needs. And then when the whole thing was done, that's what the price was. There wasn't any surprises at the end. And that was very important to us, to work with a company like that, and All Around Surfaces has really fit the bill as far as we're concerned. And as far as doing the project and as far as getting it done, everything was done the way we wanted to have it done. And the thing that we look around on the floor that really pleases us is because this is a lot of handwork, a lot of art goes into it. But you could really get it so where the chips are all kind of clumped together, there's spaces where there isn't any. Everything is totally spaced well. It's all mixed well, even up next to the sides of the walls and the edges. Everything is the same. It's as if it came from the factory that way. When you do something like this to the surface of your floor of your garage, it's an investment. The thing about it is, there's cost involved with it, but what you get out of it as far as maintenance ability, the appearance of it, and then if you ever sell your home, the resale part of it, because that is when you really get the dividend back as far as your investment in it. So All Around Surfaces has really done us a great service, not only getting the garage looking very nice, but gives us value in our home. And another thing that we wanted to have is that we wanted the steps that we had built for the garage, we wanted them to be covered also. Some people leave them the same, and sometimes wooden steps can be kind of slippery, so we wanted to have All Around Surfaces cover all of the steps also. And in fact, what that has done is made that much safer as far as walking on, and also it's going to increase the durability of those wooden steps that we have in the garage. So having that also gives it kind of a finished look all throughout the garage.
Nobody here knocking at my door. The sound of silence I can't take anymore. Nobody ringing my telephone now. Oh, how I miss such a beautiful sound. This is what